As I pulled into Bowling Green, sky was cold gray steel. 13 years had passed me by, and I wondered how I'd feel. Everything looked different, started in to rain. Memories came falling, I was just 18 again. On a tattered piece of paper I'd kept since way back when, a number scrawled in pencil was the echo of a friend. Dropped a dime and I got a line, voice out of the past. Oh, it's good to hear you once again. No, our good times didn't last. We were only children then, trying to find our way, dancing, dreaming, and drinking beer. Now, who are we today? The years have not been good to you. You gained a little weight. Your business is a burden. You say your children came too late. Your wife is never satisfied. I see envy in your eyes. How'd all this get started, friend? What have you done to life? We were only children then, trying to find our way, dancing, dreaming, and drinking beer. Now, who are we today? As I pulled out of Bowling Green, the sun began to break. Truck was gassed and loaded. It was I who stayed too late. And all the crazy twists and turns on the highways out of here. No, I will not look into your eyes, for they become a mirror. We were only children then, trying to find our way, dancing, dreaming, and drinking beer. Now, who are we today? We were only children then, trying to find our way, dancing, dreaming,